Cleaning the comfort padding. To clean the comfort padding, we use water with a little neutral soap. Immerse the pieces and press them gently to soak them and release the dirt. Letting them drain. Repeat the same operation with each of the pieces, trying to release the dirt. Then rinse them with just water to dilute the soap residue. Letting them drain. Repeat the same operation with each of the pieces to dilute the soap residue. Let them dry. Ready and clean to be used again.